Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Indian School of Physics. This is Nitin here, and today I have come up with a very amazing problem, very interesting and very easy as well. So here is the statement of this problem. In the diagram shown below, there are a total of 48 resistors with each resistance value of R0. This regular and symmetrical geometry is known as deltoids icosahedrons. The thick lines are out of the plane and the thin lines are into the plane. What is the effective resistance of this circuit across AB? So this problem looks very complicated, but let me tell you, its solution is extremely simple, very easy, though it looks very scary, to be honest, when you see it for the first time especially. And here you can see these dark lines, this all these dark lines are actually out of the plane, and these thin lines or lighter lines, these are into the plane. So let's discuss the concept of this problem. And as I always say, the concept is nature loves symmetry and symmetry is powerful. So you'll see the power of symmetry in this particular problem. So let's discuss straight away. As you can see this circuit here, this is the plane of symmetry, though I will solve it by very general method first, and later on I'll tell you the importance of this plane of symmetry, though I'm not using it. So here, if you look at this structure carefully, this is the terminal where battery is going to be connected across these two terminals AB. And if you look, the resistances which are emerging from A, so there are two type of resistances. One is I have marked with this cyan color or light blue color or whichever color you can call it, and these are the resistances which are opening with the three resistances in the next part. All right. Similarly, this blue you can see here, this is also going to be opening with the three others, or a total of 4 resistances, and alternate resistances are joining with 3. So these I have joined or I have drawn with orange color, as you can see, and they are alternatively placed. So in the first line, if you see after A, the first link I'm talking about here, you will find alternatively this cyan color and orange color circles or junctions are placed. Alternatively they are placed. So I am giving them different colors so that I can use this as a symmetry. So this point, this point, this point, and this point is going to be at the same potential. Similarly, all these orange color points, this and this, they're also going to be at same potential. However, potential of this which is cyan color and this orange color is going to be different. All right. If you look from the B side also, a similar structure you are going to find. So there will be a unit which will be having 4 branches, this junction, and there is another unit which is having 3 branches. Similar to this here, like this cyan color is having 4 different branches, and this orange color is going to have 3 different branches. And since circuit is symmetrical completely about A and B, whether you connect positive terminal of battery here or you connect positive terminal of battery here, the current distribution is going to be identical. The way current will distribute from A to B, in similar fashion this current is going to distribute from B to A also. All right. So similar type of colors I will give at the other ends also, but they are at different potentials. So 3 junction points, 3 paths, I am giving yellow color here, as you can see, and the 4 junction points I am giving pink color. So they are equivalent of this cyan color and this orange color. And here also, if you look carefully, they are alternatively placed. 1 yellow, 1 pink, 1 yellow, 1 pink, 1 yellow, 1 pink, and this is how these 8 resistances are present. So 8 here, 8 here, and 8 here as well. and all these are connected with each other. So there is a total of 48 resistance in this structure. So we have decided that all these cyan color points, they are at same potential. All orange color points are at same potential, of course different from the cyan color. And similarly here, pink color ones are at one potential, yellow color points are at one potential. Now here, if you see in the plane of symmetry, there are 8 resistances again, but in this case there is one type of resistances which are coming here from this orange one, and there is another one which is coming from cyan color. So here like 4 branches, and they are joining with the one type of junction, and there is this 3 branches and it is joining with 4 branches. One here 3 branches, orange color is joining with some point which is having 4 branches in the plane of symmetry. So here also we are going to separate these two, like with 4 branches. This blue color which is joining, I am giving another color here. I don't know what do we call, but kind of violet you can say. And this one is another color, a shade of green I can say. I don't know the exact color name. So alternatively, this light pink, light violet, and this green color, they are also alternatively placed. So once you give colors, see why I have given colors, because it makes me relatively easier. It makes this question relatively easier for me, because I can easily identify which points are at same potential, which points are at different potential. If you are doing in pen or paper, you can give symbols like maybe at one place square, then a rectangle, then triangle, or maybe a star. This kind of symbols you can give depending on the choice you have. Now after this, now since this is in 3D, I will try to bring this circuit in 2 dimensions. I will try to bring this circuit in 2 dimensions. So you can see here, when I am keeping A here, this is A and this is B here. So nearby A, there is the cyan color and orange color. So I am drawing that orange and cyan here. All right, cyan color is here and orange is here. Nearby B, you will find yellow color and pink color. All right, you'll find yellow color and pink color. All right, then yellow is joining with that green. Yellow is joining with green and placing a green and this light violet color here. Now after this, I'll try to connect these resistances. You will find from A to cyan color there are 4 resistances, and all 4 of them are going to be in parallel. So what I'm going to do here is from A to cyan color, I am going to connect 4 resistance in parallel. So it is going to give me R by 4. All right, similarly what I am going to do is, next check, there are going to be from other side also, I can say there are going to be, to pink, there are going to be 4 resistances in parallel, because this is 4 branches here, which is equivalent of this cyan color here. It's completely based on symmetry, and hardly any calculation is there in this problem. And if you see this red color or orange color is joining with the 2 cyan color points everywhere. It is like this one and this one, and this one. So between this cyan color and orange color, there are 8 resistances in parallel. So this is going to be R by 8. I hope you are able to understand this logic. And similarly here, this yellow color is not directly connected to B, like this orange color was not directly connected to A. That's why I did not give any connection between A and orange color. Similarly, I am not going to give any connection between yellow and black color also. Now after this, similarly you can check now between pink and yellow, pink and yellow, there are 8 such resistances. Between pink and yellow there are 8 such resistances. So we are going to keep those 8 resistances in parallel. So that is also going to be R by 8. This is also going to be R by 8. Similarly, I can check here for orange and green. For orange and green, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 resistance between orange and green. They are in parallel, and that is going to be R by 4. Similarly, for green and yellow, I can say 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is also going to be R by 4. And now between this green and violet color, green and violet, if you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 resistances. All of them are going to be in parallel. So this is R by 8. Now if you see this circuit carefully, these two resistances are in series and these two resistances are in series. R by 4 plus R by 8 are in series. So that is going to be 3R by 8, 3R by 8. Now if you see carefully this part, this is going to be a balanced Wheatstone bridge. This is 3R by 8, 3R by 8, R by 4, R by 4. So this entire middle one between green and violet is going to disappear, as it will not have any current. This is balanced Wheatstone bridge. So there is no current. I can take it out. So now you can see how simple circuit we are going to get finally if you just give the proper coloring to this circuit. So this 3R by 8, 3R by 8 in series, that is going to give us 3R by 4, and this R by 4, R by 4 in series. So here we are having R by 2, and here we are having 3R by 4. They are in parallel, so their R effective is 3R by 10. You can see the calculation here. Now you'll find R by 4, and this entire unit is 3R by 10. You can see here, I'll write here this unit. This entire unit, its resistance is 3R by 10. I have calculated. All right, I have calculated this. So now when I add them, so R by 4 plus R by 4 plus 3R by 10 in series, and I am going to get this answer as 4R0 by 5. This is going to be the final answer for this problem. I hope you have enjoyed this method and overall this problem as well. This is a very nice problem and very simple one. You can see hardly any calculation has been done. So if you give proper color points or maybe symbol points, whichever way you are solving this question, so that is going to give you an advantage, and it will make this problem very simple. In the end, if you see, all these resistances, they have disappeared between pink and violet. All these resistances, there is no current. So you can see the remark here which I have given: current in the resistors lying in the plane of symmetry will be 0. So here you can see I could use that logic earlier also, but I was not sure, because this point here, it is joining with a point which is having junction of 3, and another one is having junction of 4, and this orange color is having junction of 3. So it was very difficult to comment on whether this and this point, green and violet point, will be at same potential or not. That is the reason I did not take it directly. However, when I give the potential numbers or different colors, what I obtained towards the end, that in this plane there is no current. So next time when I'm going to solve this, I am directly going to remove these resistors from the circuit, and the problem will become very simple. I hope you have enjoyed this problem, and if you have done so, please leave a like, share it with other students and teachers. I'll be coming up with another very amazing problem very soon. Thank you very much.